Canada is a federal state. It is a union of provinces and territories under one central federal government. It has 10 provinces and 3 territories. Provinces in Canada: Ontario, Toronto, Quebec, Quebec City, Nova Scotia, Halifax, New Brunswick, Fredericton, Manitoba, Winnipeg, British Columbia, Victoria, Prince Edward Island, Charlottetown, Saskatchewan, Regina, Alberta, Edmonton, Newfoundland and Labrador, St. John's. Territories in Canada: Northwest Territories, Yellowknife, Yukon, Whitehorse, Nunavut, Iqaluit,